It is time for me to wash my hair. Now, if you're new here, you probably think that I have a wash routine and an extensive regimen for my locks. I do not. Honestly, it's just vibes over here. If you've been subscribed to my channel, then you know that I only do my hair when I have something to do, like when there is an event or a holiday coming up. In this case, there is a holiday coming up. Thanksgiving is next week, so it is time to wash. Now, if you're new here, my name is RAMONI and I've been locked for almost 5 years. In 2 months, it'll be 5 years. Now, typically I don't use products in my locks, but I have been using shampoo just because I've been wanting a little lather when I wash my hair. I usually wash my hair with just apple cider vinegar, but today we are using Head & Shoulders shampoo. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I'm literally using this because it's all that I have, for one, and I've been so busy, so I haven't been able to look into the recommendations that y'all gave me on the last video about the clarifying shampoos, but I'm gonna get there. And I'm just a person that has to use up everything that I buy. Like, I can't just buy it and throw it away.
So there's actually nothing wrong with this shampoo. I just bought it because it was for flaky scalps. I have a flaky scalp, but it was just too perfumey. Like, the scent was just too strong.
So yeah, I'm literally only washing my hair with this just because I need to lather my hair and it's all we have, whatever. I'm gonna go get in the shower and I'm going to wash my hair and I'm gonna bring you with me.
So before I wash my locks, I always start off by saturating my locks with water. And this usually takes a few minutes, so I try not to rush it because when we have locks, our hair just needs a little bit more time to really soak in the water.
I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
This is how my locks look after I do that. And then I'm gonna go in with my shampoo, and for the first round of my wash, I'm just focusing on my scalp. So I place the shampoo all over my scalp and then I just start scrubbing. And I start from the back and then I go around to the sides and then the front. You can see sometimes I do have to get extra shampoo just because my locks are really thick. So don't be afraid to be generous with your shampoo, and also don't be afraid to really scrub your scalp because since we have locks, you might experience a lot of buildup.
I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty whip.
For this next go round, I am going to focus the shampoo all on my actual locks this time. So the first time around, I do my scalp, and then the second time around, I really wash my locks just because your locks are what's touching everything. It's touching a lot of surfaces and you want to make sure you clean them. So you can see right here, I also squeeze my locks just to get any dirt out. And it's not going to get out everything, but you want to do what you can. After I feel like the actual locks are taken care of, I go back into the scalp, and this is just when I wash my entire head. So scalp and locks all together.
I can't believe I believed it.
sure you occasionally flip your hair over, flap your ear down and like press it down so that no water gets in your ear, but you really want to get the sides of your scalp and your locks as well, and just make sure you get all of the shampoo out of your hair. Once I'm done washing my hair, I take a spray bottle filled with apple cider vinegar and water. I used about 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar and then just filled the rest up with water. You want to make sure you keep your eyes closed at this point because apple cider vinegar is acidic and it will burn your eyes. But I just spray it all throughout my hair and then I scrub. And this doesn't lather, so you're not going to really know when you're done or not. You just have to kind of go by how you feel. But I love using the apple cider vinegar just because it really gets the buildup out of my hair. And so you just rinse that out just like you did your shampoo, and remember to keep your eyes closed. At the end, I just part each lock individually just to make sure there is no shampoo or apple cider vinegar on any of my locks. And I do this from the back all the way to the front of my head. And that is how I wash my locks. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it was helpful. And if you have any questions, you can always place them in the comments below. If you have any product recommendations or any recommendations at all, just drop them down below. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you also leave me a brown heart in the comments. And if you like videos like this, I'm gonna link my lock playlist down below because I have about 80 videos in that playlist, so you can binge watch some videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.